Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Efya Ecstasy, and I'm back again with another banger video. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I'm Efya Ecstasy, and if you're an OG, hey, thanks for stepping by. I love you all so much. Yes, I've been away for a while now. It's not my fault. Kindly forgive me, okay? Yes, so I'm happy to be here once again. I'm really happy for this opportunity to be on your screens once again. And today it's not about vlogs, it's not about pranks, it's not about education, it's about financial literacy. Yes, as you can see from the title, I'm here to teach you how to sign up and get a free $20 bonus and 10 coins on this site for free. You won't be charged, and how to gain daily profits. Yes, and so without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so this site is called BitAi Arbitrage trading platform, and it allows individuals without working experience, trading working experience, or cryptocurrency experience or background to trade on their platform. And then they won't just help you to trade, but then they are giving you a free bonus of $20 to trade with. Okay, so this will be for the crypto traders, and even if you are not, it's possible for you to get your $20 bonus. So stay tuned as I teach you how to get it. Very simple, very easy. Okay, and also their objective is to provide traders with cutting-edge automated trading tools with cloud-based, okay? So to help traders, the cryptocurrency traders, you already know, okay? And so even if you are not a cryptocurrency trader, stay tuned. So let's just get over to the real video on how to sign to this site and get your $20 bonus. Hey lovelies, so this is me. I'm doing a voiceover to tell you how to sign up. So this is the interface you will get after you've clicked on the link to log in. So as you can see, I'm typing in my details. That's your full name, your email, and your password. Okay, and down there you have your country. You have a list of countries to select from. So it's almost all over the world. We have a lot of countries in there, and so since I'm from Ghana, I chose Ghana. So yes, I'm scrolling. Yes, I'm scrolling, and then I came across Ghana. Yes. Okay, so I clicked on sign up. And guys, please make sure you have a good internet connection. My internet connectivity wasn't good at all, so it really delayed me. So now I waited. So let's jump to after I got my verification link in my email. So after you are done with this sign up, they will send you so this was me trying again. Like I was still trying because of the internet connectivity. I was still trying to get an email, but it wasn't coming. So I'll after this, they will send you a verification link in your email, your inbox. So you go and check, okay? So let's move fast to where I got the link in my email and then I clicked on it. Okay, so guys, this is me in my inbox after finally receiving the email in my inbox. Yes, so that's the link over there in blue. I'm about to click on it to confirm or to verify that yes, indeed that email belongs to me, just for verification sake. Okay, so it's nothing difficult. They'll just send you the link. That's what it's there. So I'll just click on it for verification. Okay, so it's the network. My network was very, very bad. If I say very bad, very, very bad. So yes, say congratulations, my account is verified. So I'm about to log in like direct. I'm done with the sign up. So guys, when you are done, this is what will come next. So I'm just typing in my email and then my password to log in. So after logging in, then we'll continue and then we'll go through what's there, and then you get your instant $20 bonus. As I've always been saying, you get it instantly. Okay, all right, so let's wait for the interface again. Okay, so we are here guys. So this is me looking at my dashboard, scrolling. I wanted to verify if the $20 bonus is there. So look at it, 20 USD. Have you seen it? Yes, I hope you can see it. 20 USD in there, sharp, and the 10 coins there. Like, have you seen it? Sign up bonus, have you seen it? Like, sharp, no delay. So it's down there. I'm scrolling so that you see what's there, so that when you see this on in yours, you won't say it's different. It's the same thing. So this is me scrolling down there. I'm scrolling to the bottom to see whatever is there. Yes, and guys, this site will be launched in 14 days time. It will be launched in 14 days time. Okay, so they just want you to get this free $20 bonus and then you put it down. Okay, yeah, you put it down. You see it there, 14 days, 22 hours, 26 minutes. So we have 14 days for it to be launched. Okay, for it to be launched. So because I don't have any team, so guys, this is where you need a team. If you don't have any team, that place will be empty. So a team is when you are able to tutor people to sign up or trade under you. You have your packages there, you have your reward recognition. So I was just entering into each and everything I see there under the dashboard to see what's there. Okay, so nothing else. I was just going through to see what's there. So let's go through with me. So let's go through. Okay, let's go through. So I just clicked on my profile and I saw my details, and then fast asked questions or frequent asked questions. Okay, so that's there, and that's it guys, that's it. So you just get your instant bonus, and hey, you have referral bonuses too. Okay, you have referral bonuses. So if you're able to refer people, using your link. Invite them with that invitation links over there, and then when each and every person clicks on the link, you get something to add up to your $20. Okay, and each and every day you need to log in to get daily. Now if you don't like this, what else do you want? Is it not very easy and simple? You just need to get a good internet connectivity and you are free to go just like that too. Yes, as you saw from the video, everything there is true, is real. Okay, you just need to sign up and you get it instantly, just instantly, free. They won't charge you anything. Okay, and so you'll be logging in daily for your daily profit. Okay, daily profit add up. And as you heard in the video, it is about to be launched on the in 14 days time, as you saw. Yes, in 14 days time. So please, if I were to be you, I will click on the link and then get my $20 bonus down. Okay, so for those who want quick access to register, I might leave the link in my description box so that all those who want to register very quick and fast can click on it. If you don't want, so I think I'll leave their social media handles here on my screen so that you search for them and then you visit their website from their various platforms. Okay, yes, so it will be launched in 14 days time. Stay tuned, sweetheart. And so this brings us to the end of this video. I would like to thank each and everyone for your support, for your love, for everything, for the support. Like, I'm overwhelmed, in fact. Sure. So wait, if you haven't subscribed, please, what is keeping you from subscribing? What is keeping you from liking, from leaving a comment? Please. And also, if you don't understand anything I forgot to add, just drop it in the comment section so that we discuss. Okay. And yes, as I was saying, why haven't you subscribed? Please kindly subscribe, leave your comments, like, and then share my videos as you've always been doing. Okay, yes, thank you so much. Until I come your way next time, remember, it's still your girl, Efya Ecstasy. I love you all. Bye bye.